Is Bitcoin about to rally or dump from here? Is Vitalik dumping $1 million worth of ETH? And has Friend.Tech been compromised? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin price action is struggling to recover from a manic end to the week, and the fear is palpable going into what could be an equally volatile few days. With $26,000 so far forming the focus for the markets, theories are brewing over where Bitcoin might head next. Multiple factors are set to converge to provide some influence. The United States macro data prints are firing up again, while the Federal Reserve will deliver a key commentary on the economy at the annual Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. With Bitcoin, short-term holders are now facing increased unrealized losses, and on-chain transactions and loss are setting multi-year highs. The quiet weekend gave some traders pause for thought, as Bitcoin, they argued, might now open the door to a new phase of range-bound trading. Bitcoin fell back into the previous range, with the most likely outcome for the next week is to keep trading in the range. While last week was quiet in terms of US macroeconomic data releases, the coming 5 days promise a change of tempo. The US jobless claims will hit on August 24th, with home sales and other data preceding them. Traders and analysts, however, have their eyes mostly set on Jerome Powell, chair of the Federal Reserve, who will take the stage at the annual Jackson Hole Economic Symposium on August 25th. Jackson Hole is a classic venue for market volatility, and given the current climate, this year's event should be no exception. The Fed's annual Jackson Hole meeting is more important than ever this week. Powell will be joined by speakers such as the president of the European Central Bank. With both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 joining crypto in a week of losses, historical patterns could still turn the tables as Jackson Hole traditionally provides risk-on relief. And Elio Trades on Twitter recently wrote, "Is BlackRock actually crashing Bitcoin right now?" The theory that BlackRock is intentionally crashing Bitcoin before the ETF goes live is both fun to think about and makes sense. Think about it, their goal is to maximize market share and assets under management. If they deploy Bitcoin ETF at the lowest possible price, their clients get better entries, make more gains, and deposit more. If they go live with an ETF after a big pump has taken place, their clients might get dumped on, and worse yet, withdraw. No idea if this is happening, but logic is clearly there. This is actually what I thought would happen as soon as the ETF was originally announced a few weeks ago. I knew that we would get some kind of big sell-off event because it was just too easy for people to buy at 25 to 26K and ride it up forever as BlackRock delivers billions of dollars into the market cap. You have to put yourself in the shoes of the people who are able to move the price around and think what would make them the most money. And in my eyes, it's sending Bitcoin back below 25K because everyone who bought there thinking they were safe is more likely to sell when it seems like all hope is lost, and that's when we go up. Coinbase's new Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Base surpassed Optimism and Arbitrum this week in terms of daily transactions. According to data provided by each scaling solution's respective block explorers, Base hit 617,000 transactions on August 13th, compared to 438,000 for Optimism and 544,000 for Arbitrum on the same day. The new Layer 2 Base project officially launched earlier this month and is powered by Optimism. Coinbase has previously said that it hopes Base will help onboard over 1 billion people into the crypto economy. The exchange has noted that there are no plans to launch a network token associated with Base. The project is designed to be compatible with Ethereum, Ethereum Layer 2s, and alternative Layer 1 blockchains. The scaling solution zoomed past some of its seniors like Starknet and Polygon ZK EVM to hit a total value locked of $230 million at the time of writing. The fight for the crown jewel of Ethereum Layer 2s has intensified in recent months. The launch of the Bedrock upgrade made Optimism more affordable than Arbitrum, grabbing the attention of a lot of users and developers. In the last week, Optimism surpassed Arbitrum in daily transactions for the first time in 2023. Apart from the Bedrock upgrade, the launch of WorldCoin tokens on Optimism helped in boosting the overall transaction count. Additionally, a portion of the fees collected through the transactions on Base are shared with the Optimism DAO. A combination of these factors aided in establishing a buffer for the governance token OP amid a market turmoil. Unlike Arbitrum, which recorded double-digit losses over the past week, OP was down just 5.5% over the past week. While Base and Optimism grew in prominence, Arbitrum still remained the first choice for DeFi investors due to its massive liquidity. Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin has transferred 600 ETH worth nearly $1 million to crypto exchange Coinbase today. The move comes after ETH price fell more than 10% in a recent sell-off in the broader crypto market, and analysts and market experts are now expecting Ethereum to crash massively if it breaks down below the key support level. According to data from PeckShield, a wallet address linked to Vitalik Buterin transferred 600 ETH worth nearly $1 million to Coinbase on August 21st. Typically, the movement of ETH by Vitalik Buterin and the Ethereum Foundation is followed by a fall in ETH price. While the reason behind the recent transfer remains unknown, some speculate another massive sell-off by Vitalik Buterin. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez predicts a significant correction in ETH price if it falls below 1550. He's targeting a 37 to 45% correction, risking the price to fall to $1,000. After the Shanghai upgrade, the Ethereum team is working on the Cancun upgrade, bringing account abstraction, increasing scaling, and improving storage. A recent execution layer meeting between the Ethereum Foundation and the core developers revealed some testing updates from the DevNet 8 and Holsky testnet. DevNet 8 has recently launched, which is the test network for the Cancun upgrade. Tim Byko, an Ethereum core developer, said the Holesky mainnet is likely set to launch around September 15th, 2023. This upgrade would replace Gorelli as a staking, infrastructure, and protocol developer testnet. Meanwhile, the ETH price could likely go through increased volatility in the coming months surrounding the news of a potential Ethereum-based futures ETF approval. Over the weekend, we posted a crypto quiz video, a new series we've just launched, where we test the wits of industry experts and see if you can keep up with their knowledge of all things cryptocurrency, NFTs, altcoins, and blockchain. We brought on Heidi and Toby from the Crypto Tips YouTube channel, and it was a great time. Go check out the video link down below. We're launching a brand new campaign with our partners at BYDFi, a no KYC exchange where you can trade with only 0.6% futures and 0.1 spot trading fees. And more exciting news, our gem PARSIQ token is now live for all our US customers on BYDFi. PARSIQ bills itself as a next-generation monitoring and intelligence platform, providing analytic solutions for blockchain technology across a wide range of businesses. With PARSIQ, users may now watch network activity in real time, discover new use cases for their application, and send quick notifications. The wait is over as PARSIQ officially makes its debut on the spot market. Get ready for seamless trading starting today, August 21st at 3 p.m. Singapore time. BYDFi continues to lead the way in providing top-notch crypto experiences, and with PARSIQ, the future of trading looks brighter than ever. To make your trading journey easier, we will be giving out our free trading signals for BYDFi tokens. And for a quick start, you can receive up to $213 welcome bonus, together with an up to $1,500 deposit and trade bonus. Just check the link in the description below to find out more. Friend.Tech, a new decentralized social media app, has rapidly become one of the hottest new things in crypto, with over 64,000 new users and more than 24,000 ETH in trading volume since its beta version launched on August 11th. While many crypto industry heavyweights have praised the app for bringing thousands of people on-chain and inspiring signups from even non-crypto figures, such as gaming YouTuber FaZe Banks, some have warned it's at risk of burning out. Built on Coinbase's Layer 2 network base, Friend.Tech is a platform that allows users to purchase shares of their friends and influencers, which in turn grants them access to private chats with that user. Crypto commentator Yazan pointed out a number of troubling factors that led him to believe that the app has between 6 and 8 weeks between both share prices and general activity begins to nosedive. Yazan argued that there has been an unsustainable rate at which share prices have increased. According to software engineer Saigar in an August 20th Twitter thread, the price of someone's shares on Friend.Tech is proportional to the square of the outstanding supply. As the supply increases, the price increases exponentially. Drawing parallels to BitClout, a predecessor app from 2021, Web3 marketer Legendary shared his bearish prediction on the longevity of Friend.Tech. He said, "I think the platform will collapse as BitClout did. We're in a bear market and there's nothing to do. Everyone jumps on an opportunity to make money, but I think the platform will be done within the next weeks to months." Others, however, shared a far more positive outlook for the new decentralized social media platform, praising it for its novel developments and user experience for crypto applications, something that crypto app developers have long struggled to get it right. Regardless of the varied predictions concerning the app's future success or failure, there is no denying that it has taken crypto by storm. On August 19th, Friend.Tech announced that it had received seed round funding from crypto venture capital firm Paradigm, sparking a wave of speculation over a future airdrop and potential token launch. And just this morning, Banteg, a core contributor to Yearn Finance, has published a leaked database containing critical details of users on the Friend.Tech platform. This includes Ethereum addresses and corresponding Twitter usernames for over 101,000 users. He also highlighted a troubling situation involving Friend.Tech's permissions, asserting that these users had granted Friend.Tech the ability to post on their behalf, possibly without complete understanding or consent. It's hard to say exactly how this will turn out for Friend.Tech, but if you plan to use it, I recommend using a new wallet. That's it for your altcoin buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.